Including the jurors, and pretty remarkable that a dozen of them actually showed up for the sentencing today. Rachel Young-Kunis joins us now in the studio with that part of the story. Why do you think they were there?
Well, simply put, Joe, they said they wanted to see an end to this case and they came for closure. Members of the jury say the details of Thomas's tragic death have haunted them for weeks. They believe the sentence is justified.
12 jurors leaving Suffolk County Court for the final time. Some alternate jurors and jury members who helped seal Michael Valva's fate last month returning today for a sentencing to find closure.
He's getting exactly what he deserves, and LoTurco said that he loved his kids. His definition of love must be different than mine. I have three girls. I couldn't imagine any father doing, what he did to his kids.
It took the jury less than a day to convict Valva of the top charge, second-degree murder in Thomas's death. They rejected the defense's argument that Valva cared for his young boys, Thomas and Anthony.
I was distraught every day especially because you couldn't go home and talk about anything. You had to keep everything inside, sealed up for 6 weeks, so it was a very difficult thing to do.
Throughout the weeks-long trial, jurors saw little to no emotion from Valva. They were surprised to hear him speak today, but say it doesn't change the fact he did nothing to try and save Thomas's life the day he died.
I believe there's some remorse there. I don't think he intended on that happening, but he sure enough didn't do anything to stop it. So that's what makes him guilty.
Some of the jurors say they have no sympathy for Valva and they still have nightmares from what they heard and saw throughout the trial. But today, they got closure, knowing he has been sentenced to 25 years to life. Joe?